Hi, what's up? What's up, M.A.J. Customs fam? If you are new here, I'm Amanda. If not, welcome back. Okay, you guys, this is the video that I said I was going to try to put together for you all. I was hoping that I got it in time before Easter, and you guys can go and create your own and be ready for Easter. So yes, you guys, this is the day, this is the video, because we have been extremely busy pushing out other orders, but I have a little bit of time, and it's not going to be that long. I'm not going to make this video that long. So yeah, you guys, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you everything you're going to need, and then you'll be on your way to create your own Easter tree cards. Okay, everyone, so first things first, you all know, if you guys have seen other videos of ours, that you will need your foam board. This is a piece I had left over, and this should be just fine. I have more put up somewhere, but this is foam board is what you are going to need. Okay, let's go. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, everyone, so for your next item, I got these from Walmart. They'll come like this. They'll say treat boxes, and you'll get 4 pieces. So what it is 4 tops and 4 bottoms. Now, as you can tell, this will be the top. There is no marking on here, none at all. So what you'll look for is this little marking on it. If you can see that, it's a little marking right there. This is considered the back. So this will be put like this, and then this will close like this. So you'll get something like this, you guys, by the time we're done with this video. Okay, so just pay attention, because when we go to cut out our square on our foam board, we won't be using the back. So pay attention to your marking. We will be using the front lid, okay? And I'll show you guys that once we get into the video. Okay, you guys, next item. Okay, everyone, so for your next step, you're going to want to know if you're going to use photo glossy paper or sticker paper. This video, I will be using the sticker paper, this one. I did mention in the past I had issues with the sticker paper, but I was messing around with the printer settings. So I will be putting my printer settings up here somewhere for you guys, in case you guys have been having any issues with this as well. I was having issues in the past with it smearing and stuff, but it does have a lot to do with like your paper type and what you're printing under. So again, I'll put mine somewhere up in this video. So if you don't have sticker paper, you can go to your local Walmart or whatever store that you can get photo glossy paper from. I picked this one up from Walmart. This I have been using, and it works just fine. If you are scared to if you're scared that if your design is still smearing and you can't figure out why, you can always grab you some self-laminated pouches. I did make a video on how I used the photo glossy paper when I was doing the vending machines. I walked step by step through there. I'm not going to pull out the laminating machine that I have, because I have posted it in other videos, but I have a Scotch laminating machine, and I have the pouches where you can run through there, or you can just grab the self-adhesive laminated sheets, and you can use that as well over your glossy paper if you find it is, it's smearing. Okay, you guys, but again, I have not had any issues with either, using the settings that I'm going to post in this video, okay? Oh, and with this, you're going to want to pick up some Elmer cement glue. So you'll put it on the back of your photo glossy paper and then apply to your foam board, okay, you guys? All right, next item we're going to need. Okay, so for your next item, you are going to want a squeegee. If you are using the sticker paper, so once you start, you can squeegee your sticker paper onto the board. I'm not going to be using the squeegee in this video. I'm just going to lay it flat. Okay, you guys? All right, guys, so the next thing you're going to want is a ruler, because once you lay your image down, we're going to want to cut off any excess foam board that we have. We're going to cut it, trim it, okay? Yeah, so make sure you have a ruler. I'm probably going to put my design on one side closer. Oh, I'm blurring up. When I lay my design down, I'm going to lay it close to one edge and then cut off around it. Okay, you guys? All right, next step. Okay, guys, so for the last item that you're going to need to create these treat cards is a stapler. I use a stapler in them when I made these treat cards, so I will be using a stapler. If you have a stapler, If not, you can use hot glue. You can use a hot glue gun, and I'll show you exactly how you would do that. Once we get into this video and we put it together, I'll explain to you how you would use the hot glue gun if you don't have the stapler. Okay, you guys? All right, now let's get into making our treat cards. Okay, everyone, so I already have my design printed. This is what it looks like. And the only reason I already have it printed, because like I mentioned in the video earlier, I don't want to make this video too long. So for my background, it's just a plain Sonic background. I got it off Pinterest. For my Sonic design, I got it off Pinterest. I upload it in remove background to remove the background of it and then just bring the design in. I was in Silhouette Studios, so I just dragged it on in, as well as this little Sonic image down here. Okay, and again, your page setup, if you're in Silhouette Studios or even if you're in Cricut, just make sure that you're following 8.5 by 11. Okay, you guys, for your setup. All right, so this is my front. Now I'm gonna do something different in this video. I also printed out a piece for the back. So this is sticker paper. Again, I printed out, and I've never done backs, the back part of like the vending machine or treat cards, but I don't know, I guess I will for this video, so we'll see how it comes out. All right, you guys? Okay, so now that I have my designs put together, I'm going to place them on the foam board, okay? Okay, everyone, so I'm going to just cut this off because I don't need all of this. That way I can work with it better. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this off. All right. Make sure you have a sharp blade too. Mine, you can, if you see how these are made, it's got little lines on it. It's about done too, so I'm down to my last little bit, but it's got lines where you can just snap, and it's supposed to give you a new blade. So okay, all right, you guys, so now this is the fun part. Taking the sticker paper, the backing off. Just be careful. Okay, now I'm just gonna fold my top part back just like this, okay, and then start at the top. And if I have anything like any white edge, I'm fine with that. Okay, apply and press down. And I'm just pulling the backing off. All right. Okay, so you should get something like this. All right, and then I'm just gonna trim all this excess white around it, and then I'll be back, you guys. Matter of fact, what I thought would be easy is I better apply the back on here before I cut. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the back on here before I cut my outside. And I'm gonna do the same step, all right, you guys? So just peel the top off a little by little. Being very careful. And then just start at the top. Okay. And then I'm just gonna peel it back, you guys. Alright, so just like this. And then that's fine. I can always trim that. Okay, front and back. Alright, guys. Okay, so I'm going to cut this now and then I'll be back. Okay, everyone. So I still have a white edge right here. I'm okay with that. If you guys want to cut yours off, you can. Alright, so this is what I have so far. And now for the next step, you guys, we'll be putting the container on here, right? So I could have shrunk my Sonic design, but for this video it's okay. So how I'm going to go about doing this is I'm going to flip my treat container.
How do you open it?
Hold on, huh? You gotta twist that. I'm sorry, guys, give me a second. My son's speaking to me. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. So I'm gonna place it where I want it, right? And we're gonna just go ahead and take, you can use a pencil. I'm going to use a pen, and I am going to just place my hand here and then just trace it. Yeah, I know it's gonna be like little wavy, like your line is gonna be wavy, but it's okay because we're gonna cut it straight. All right, so just go like that all the way around, and then you'll get something like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our knife. I may have to grab a different one because mine is not so sharp. And you don't necessarily need your corners to be curved. If you can get them curved, that's fine. If not, just go straight across and down. And we'll see if our container fits right in. We're good. If not, then we'll just keep cutting little by little, okay? So we'll just take our ruler. And I'm going to just place it right by my line that I just made. Go down. And like I said, if you can make your edges round, that is fine. You're not even going to really notice it once you put the containers in the board. And I'm going to just go ahead and cut all the way around. And that's another reason I say make sure you get a really good utility knife. Okay. And I'm just going to keep doing it until I know that my foam board has completely, I cut all the way through. Now see right here, that's how you know, see how my knife is not that sharp? It's messing up already. Yeah. So that's not good. But you guys get the idea. Okay. And I'm just going to keep going over it until I know for sure that my foam board is cut all the way through. All right. Okay, everyone, so I just thought about something. I showed you guys my egg that I had on the back, right? And I just remembered when I was finishing out this video, the design, this would be cute if you're only doing the front card like this, okay? If you're only using the front of your treat box, then this design would be cute. Other than that, I guess it wouldn't matter what, you know, you put back here because we're going to cut it out all the way through. So if you're doing just the front treat card, cute design in the back, you're fine just like this. And then you would just staple your top of your treat card to your foam board. But because for this video I wanted to do the whole treat box, I cut it all the way through, okay? So this is what you should get. And you will take the back once you cut your, after you cut from tracing, and you place your back in on top just like so. Okay, you guys? And then you stuff it, whatever you, well, you can go ahead if you want, you can staple it at this point. You can staple the bottom. Okay, just go around, place a couple staples on top and sides. Of course, we're not going to make it to the top part, but make sure you get the sides down in there really good, and the bottom, okay, right here. And then that's it. You don't have to worry about nothing else. Stuff it with grass, stuff it with whatever you would like, and then your top part will just snap. And of course, you guys, my container, my foam board, it doesn't have a clean cut because of my blade, and I really should have waited, but I didn't want to make you guys wait any longer. So make sure you have a sharp new blade. Okay, so this is what you should get. This is what you should get. See? Okay, and you can stuff it with way more than you would if you just used the top part. All right, you guys, so I hope this video was, I hope it was easy for y'all to understand. But yeah, so you just trace. I traced the top. I traced the top for the bottom to fit in. Yep. And if you have to just cut off little by little to make your container fit inside, then that's okay. You can do that too. But you can see mine is not clean cut, and I really don't like that. But again, it's my blade, so I'm okay as long as I showed you guys how to do it. Okay, so this is the bottom. Remember, we have that little symbol right there, so that's considered the bottom that goes in, and then you just snap. Yep, snap it in place. And if you want, if you're scared that your top, if you stuff it really good, you can probably get away with stapling, but you don't need to. You can probably get away with stapling your top and bottom together. Yeah, yep. So there you have it, you guys. Or if you want, you can probably super glue. Okay, so, and like I said, if you're using the glue gun, you would just, of course, go along your foam board with the glue gun. Okay, place it in there. I would take the top off though. Let's take the top off. Yeah, so you would put your glue, your hot glue under there, and then press it down. Press it real good. Hold it in place if you have to when using your hot glue gun. Okay, you guys? Alright, so that's how you would use that method if you didn't have a stapler. Alright, you guys, so that is for this year's Easter tree cards, and I will be doing some other ones probably for my kids, way better. I'm gonna go out and get another blade, a whole new blade. So this is what you guys should have, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for coming along with me and making these. They're very simple, not hard at all. Again, if you don't want to cut all the way through and you're scared you're gonna mess it up, then just do the front and lay it on your foam board just like this, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. So I did decide to go in. I did find I had some goodies left for making the big Easter egg that I made. I did have some goodies left, so this is what it would look like. Okay, so I laid my candies on the back first, and then I put the grass on top. Okay, so if I lay it down, you kind of can see. So I put my candies facing the back, and you can see the candy, and then the grass on top of that, and then I laid some more candy in the front, you guys. Okay, and no, if you see my box is popping up, it's because I did not technically staple it down yet. So this is what you guys should have. Okay, everyone, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.